Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be going over what we're going to be doing this week, and that is comparing numbers. Yay! Okay, so far this year we have counted to 120. We've done this by ones, fives, and tens. So we know our numbers, and comparing is just taking that to the next level, knowing what you know about numbers and what numbers are bigger than others or smaller than others. So far we have done single digit numbers. So we're just going to do a little review. So 2 or 8, which is the biggest number? 8, right? So the alligator is going to eat the 8. So it's going to be a less than. So if you read it from left to right, 2 is less than 8. The arrow is going to point towards the smallest number. Next one, 4 or 7. So which number is bigger? The 7. So this arrow is going to point towards the smaller number. So left to right, it's going to read 4 is less than 7. The last one, 6 or 9. This one's a tricky one. I know they look alike. So which number's bigger? You can count to 10 if that would help you. 9 is the bigger number. So again, it's going to be a less than. If you read it from left to right, it's going to be 6 is less than 9 because that arrow is pointing at the smaller number. So the objective of this week is working on comparing all numbers up to 120. We're going to take this a step at a time, and right now we're only going to do 2-digit numbers, okay? So we're going to use what we know about our numbers to 120 or up to 99 at this point, and use our signs that we know, the greater than, less than, and equal signs. If you do need extra help, the classroom website is full of helpful resources, so you are more than welcome to check those out. So this is a new thing. For this lesson, I'm going to introduce to you Mrs. Number Alligator. We're going to see her more as we practice, and she is on my classroom website. But don't worry, don't be scared of her. She will not eat you. She only eats big numbers, and I did make a typo there. Not bug numbers, big numbers. So let's practice. Using what we know about numbers, 2 or 30, which one's bigger? The 30. So the alligator always eats the bigger number. So the arrow points to the smaller number. So the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. So it's going to be 20 is less than 30. 90 or 60. Which one is bigger? The 90. So the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. So it's going to be this way this time. Right on that 90. Okay. 12 or 21. This one's tricky. They're the same numbers. So which one's bigger? If you need to count, that is perfectly fine. 12 or 21. 21's bigger. So it's going to be facing this way. 38, 83. I did this on purpose, you guys. They're the same numbers and they look alike. So 38 or 83. Which one's bigger? 83. So we're going to have a less than sign. The greater than is going to be pointing to the right. 88 or 99. You guys know this. The 99 is bigger. So again, we're going to be going to the right. So if you read that left to right, it's going to say 88 is less than 99. Okay. So one more thing before we go. I have a quick thing just to get you excited about the next video. There she is. So only here, only in my classroom are you going to see these signs. And I'm so excited to introduce them to you. So check back here. We're going to have more videos with Mrs. Alligator, and I can't wait to see you guys.